Good morning, everybody. It's Monday night, a beautiful day here in Florida. Um, just wanted to give you a quick update. So I actually was able to take my first trade. Not 100% sure about it, um, but let's see what happens. I put 0.5% risk on it. So my strategy gave me an entry on this candle. You can see it here. The trade is on the USD CAD, by the way. I don't know why let me just move this real quick. Yeah, you can see the green line that I added here. That would have been my original entry. Of course, that happened when I was asleep. And I do have a second chance entry rule, and that was fulfilled right here at this candle close, which gave me actually a better entry than before. This is a buy entry. My stop loss is here, also following my rules to the T here. So this is on the 15-minute chart, as you can see. Yeah, USD CAD, first trade in the actual FTMO challenge. So let's see how that one goes. The reason why I say I'm not quite sure about it is even though I got my second entry here, my indicators at the moment are still pointing down. But this was a valid entry, so I trust my strategy. And this was a valid second chance entry according to my rules. Again, it gave me actually a better entry, so let's see what happens. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And I think, let me just check real quick here. It should have started the challenge with this trade on FTMO. Excuse me, I'm not fully awake yet. Let me just see here. Go to client area. Let's move this over so you guys can see this too. All right, so this is the FTMO side. Let's refresh this. Yeah, so now we have an end date because I took the first trade, so that means the challenge has officially began, and I have until November 9th to complete the challenge, which most of you probably know. I'm going for the $10,000 account. As I mentioned in my video yesterday, that's my first step. My plan is to use that account, if I pass, to use that account to generate profits, and then use those profits to go for the higher accounts and complete those challenges until I'm up at the maximum size allowed with FTMO, which is 400,000. So yeah, so we took our first trade. I put a 0.5% risk on it, not risking more than a 0.5%, since in my testing I used 1%, and I came fairly close to the max daily loss, which was at 480 something. I still would have passed it until I called it and then played around. That's a different story. Gotta watch the video yesterday to get an explanation. But like I said, until I called it and said, okay, this is working, my max daily loss was right around 480 something. So it was fairly close to the 500 allowed. So I decided to lower my risk to 0.5% per trade on the actual challenge to make sure I can stay within the limits. I should still be able to pass it within the 22 days. In my test, I actually passed the challenge with the first two trades. So there should be no rush to, or there should be no anxiety from my end to doubt that I will be able to pass the challenge even with 0.5% risk. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, just wanted to give you guys an update. As promised, the first trade is taken. Lucky second entry, second chance entry, and here we go. It actually went into profit, so I like to see that. All right, so as this trade progresses, I do have continuation entries that allows me to stack into the trade and use the profit generated to add a little bit more to the trade. So that's also included in the strategy. And or if I get another entry, I will update you guys again. That's it for now. Thanks for being here. Again, like, subscribe, follow me along, and let's do this. Thanks for being here. I need my coffee. You all have a good day. Bye.